Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair. We're here in Wiley inspecting a home, and time to play What Would You Do? Does it need foundation repair? So we're looking at this house, and I just kind of want to show you a little bit of what I'm looking at, looking for, etc. Now, this house probably has been fairly freshly painted, but I don't see any significant indicators of repairs in the sheetrock. The texture all matches well. The door, as you can see, the closet door is very slightly out of alignment, with this side being a slightly wider gap than this side, but not by a lot. The door does work, and the catch plate does not appear to have ever been adjusted to any degree. That hole is original, the routing is original, and the door works. Again, I'm not seeing any indicators of texture match that you would see after sheetrock had been repaired. Arched windows are a real common place for that. For sheetrock to be kind of weak and fragile. So this place looks really good. Cosmetically, also outside the house, everything's fine. So we're gonna start up here in the corner. We are going to set our level at 0. Come on, level, there we go. So we are at 0. So let's see what we get here. Now this is approximately 12 feet from side to side. And we bring our level. 1.8, 1.7 inches differential from the door to the side of the house. Now, in 12 feet, ASCE standards tell us that we are allowed maybe a half an inch, about a half an inch roughly, 3/4 of an inch over 20 feet. Maybe a little more than that. So let's be generous and give it a half inch over 12 feet that we're allowed. And it's a 1.7 inch difference. So what would you do? Does it need foundation repair? Does it not need foundation repair? Again, this is why you get different opinions from different foundation repair companies and different engineers. Some will go strictly by elevation guidelines and say, yes, this house is out of tolerance and it needs to be lifted at the front perimeter. Others will take a more holistic approach and look more at the problems being caused by the slope and look at it and say, well, it's really not causing any problems. It may have actually been built this way, which is possible. So again, it's a gray area. Anyway, that is our game today. I'm not going to tell you my answer. I'm going to let you guess. So that is our game today of what would you do? Does it need foundation repair? I am Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair, since 1985, the most trusted name in foundation repair. Send us your questions, your comments. We would love to see them. And check out our website at williamsonfoundation.com. We have an education section that has a whole lot of stuff there you might want to know. Hope you all have a great day. We'll see you soon.